English Drama 1. Unit 3, Understanding Play Scripts. Lesson 1, Reading and Analyzing Play Scripts. Techniques for reading and comprehending play scripts. Lesson 2, Structure of a play acts, scenes. Understanding the organization of plays into acts and scenes. Lesson 3, Themes, motifs, and symbols in plays. Identifying and analyzing thematic elements, motifs, and symbols. Lesson 1, Reading and Analyzing Play Scripts. In this lesson, we will learn how to read and understand play scripts. A play script is like a book, but it is written for actors to perform. It has dialogue, what the characters say, and stage directions, instructions for the actors on what to do. Reading a play script is different from reading a story or a novel because you have to imagine how it will look on stage. First, we will read the dialogue to understand what the characters are saying and feeling. Pay attention to how they talk to each other and what they say. This will help you understand their personalities and relationships. Next, we will look at the stage directions. These tell us where the characters are, what they are doing, and how they should move and speak. Stage directions are usually written in italics or brackets. To analyze a play script, we need to think about the characters, the plot, what happens, and the setting where and when it happens. Ask yourself questions like, who are the main characters? What do they want? What problems do they face? Where does the story take place? Understanding these elements will help you see the big picture of the play. We will practice reading short play scripts together and discuss what we understand. We will talk about the characters, the plot, and the setting. This practice will help you get better at reading and understanding play scripts by the end of this lesson. You will know how to read a play script and understand its main elements. Lesson 2, Structure of a Play Acts, Scenes. In this lesson, we will learn about the structure of a play. A play is divided into acts and scenes. This helps organize the story and makes it easy to follow. An act is a big section of the play, like a chapter in a book. Most plays have 2 or 3 acts, but some have more. Each act can have several scenes. A scene is a smaller part of an act. It usually takes place in one location and happens at one time. When the location or time changes, a new scene begins. Understanding the structure of a play helps us follow the story better. When you know where an act or scene begins and ends, you can see how the story is divided and how it flows. For example, in the first act, you might meet the characters and learn about their problems. In the second act, the characters might try to solve their problems, and in the third act, you see how everything ends. We will look at different play scripts to see how they are structured. We will identify the acts and scenes and talk about what happens in each one. This will help you understand how the story is organized and how the plot develops. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to recognize acts and scenes in a play script. You will understand why the structure is important and how it helps tell the story. This knowledge will make it easier for you to read and analyze plays. Lesson 3, Themes, Motifs, and Symbols in Plays. In this lesson, we will learn about themes, motifs, and symbols in plays. These are important elements that add deeper meaning to the story. A theme is the main idea or message of the play. It is what the play is about on a deeper level. For example, a play might have themes like love, friendship, or courage. To find the theme, think about what the characters learn or how they change. Ask yourself, what is the play trying to say about life or people? A motif is a recurring element in the play. It can be a word, an image, or an idea that appears many times. Motifs help to highlight the themes. For example, if a play has a motif of darkness, it might symbolize fear or the unknown. A symbol is something that stands for something else. It is a way to represent ideas and themes. For example, a heart can symbolize love and a storm can symbolize trouble. Symbols help to give the play more depth and meaning. We will read short play scripts and look for themes, motifs, and symbols. We will talk about what they mean and how they add to the story. This practice will help you understand the deeper meaning of the plays. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to identify and analyze themes, motifs, and symbols in plays. You will understand how these elements make the play more interesting and meaningful. This knowledge will help you appreciate plays more and understand their deeper messages.